So this is my dad's old camcorder, and filming with this one is probably the most fun and most convenient filming experience I could have. Mainly to film my videos I use the Sony ZV-E1, the one I'm filming this video with. And if I want the highest quality, the best image quality, highest dynamic range, great possibilities in color grading, color correction, and just filming in chill atmospheres, chill places, this is certainly the best choice, for me at least. But as soon as I'm walking through crowded places, being in small cafes, or I'm just on the go doing some shopping, I rather take this one with me. And there are two main reasons why I prefer the camcorder in those situations. The Sony ZV-E1 is a really small, really compact camera, and if you're choosing the right kit, it's even smaller. But filming public spaces, public places with this camera is still intimidating. Not just for me filming myself or like the surroundings, it's intimidating for other people to see me with this camera. Compared to the camcorder, which is not as intimidating. It's super small, super compact, and it just doesn't scream, hey, I'm a YouTuber, I'm filming a vlog, welcome in my video. Compared to the camcorder, which just says, hey, I'm documenting my favorite memories and want to have something to show friends and family. Maybe not as radical as that, but it's not as intimidating for sure. The other reason is just how flexible I am with this camera. Obviously, it's a different look, a whole different look, but I really enjoy the look. I think it's great, super small, super compact. You just flip it open, hit record and zoom in if you want, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything if the white balance is off or something like that. Yeah, it adjusts itself, and if it's adjusting mid-shot, I mean, it's fine because it's the look anyways and it fits. You don't have to worry about anything, and sometimes I just really enjoy to have that, film and enjoy the moment, be present in the moment. And I feel like this is way more easy with this type of camera compared to a bigger camera where you have to be aware of a lot of the settings, check if the exposure is correct, I don't know, the sound levels, white balance, whatever. So with a mirrorless camera, it's a lot more complicated, and to have this one, I think that's a great way to slow down and just be present in the moment and film your daily adventures. I will always love to use my bigger camera, but for its specific use cases, or for those use cases where the camera is the best fit for me. And those are mainly my A-roll videos, talking head, and yeah, if I just want the best quality, nice image quality, but if I just want to film in public spaces, public places where things get, I don't know, messy or just not chill, this is a great way to capture those moments. It's just catching all the vibes. It has a lot of character and I really, really enjoy that. So that's it. We continue with the vlog. I really hope someone buys my camera. I have my Sony A7-A4 listed together with a small rig cage and a lens, Sony G40mm f2.5, and I want to sell that because I don't need it and I don't use it at the moment, and I want to buy myself a Fuji X100VI from that money. I hope someone buys it. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of time. The entire week the weather was beautiful, was so nice, and today we have to plan to yeah, just go into the city, go into a cafe, take some nice pictures, eat good food, and just chill. And in the evening, we are going to Spider-Man Brand New Day. I'm so excited. No joke. I'm a Spidey kid. I'm so excited for the movie. Super, super cool. The weather, unfortunately, is not good. It's really, really bad. But yeah, it is what it is. Try to make it work. Try to make the best out of it. Yeah. Anyways, I'm excited for the day.